The last thing.
Very last.
If you're willing to fight for us,
The
we're willing to
last.
fight for you.
Exactly.
Mm-hmm.
When I wanted to leave the other day, and you told me that this is where it starts, not where it ends. The story's not over either, Steve. It's barely begun.
And Saint Gator will sing your praises with that full book of memories at every Christmas time, you know?
Yeah!
Can make a little
Yes,
scrapbook.
Gator.
We need to have our water park adventure.
Yes.
Maybe sometime.
We have so many great.
Sometime you can show him all those photos you've taken.
Yeah, and I want to introduce
Yeah.
you when we finally get a full Gator golf course built. I want to take you the whole 18 holes.
My friends.
Family, Steve. We love you.